Since the previous two paragraphs had talked about the need to stop ants from digging into radioactive wastes, the word biobarrier probably refers to A. an inability to understand anything related to biology, B. a fear of anything living, C. a structure or substance that lets living things pass, or D. a structure or substance that keeps living things from passing. We see from the first paragraph that the main problem Johnson and Blohm have are that the ants are tunneling in the soil and inadvertently moving this radioactive waste around. Therefore, a logical conclusion would be for them to figure out some way to prevent the ants from getting through the soil. We see this plan reflected in the third paragraph, which tells us that Johnson and Blohm needed to find a biobarrier. If they discovered the colored gravel from that layer mixed in with other layers, the ants had broken through the barrier. From here we can conclude that a biobarrier must be some kind of barrier that prevents the ants from getting through the soil. Based on this information, let's take a look at our choices and see which one best matches up with our conclusion. A. An inability to understand anything related to biology. Because this isn't mentioned anywhere in our text, we can mark it as incorrect. B. A fear of anything living. Again, no mention of this is made in the text, so it can be marked as incorrect. C. A structure or substance that lets living things pass. Based on our conclusion, this is the opposite of what Johnson and Blohm want, as they want to stop the ants from getting through. This can be marked as incorrect. Finally, D. A structure or substance that keeps living things from passing. This perfectly matches up with the conclusion that we found and therefore can be marked as our final answer.